Hello, I'm Dan McMillan of Joe Rizza Acura, and I want to discuss with you the benefits of owning an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle from Joe Rizza Acura in Orland Park. When you purchase a certified pre-owned vehicle from Joe Rizza Acura, you can rest assured that you have made a wise decision. Every Acura certified pre-owned vehicle must pass a rigorously comprehensive multi-point inspection. Each vehicle is reconditioned inside and out to create a certified luxury ownership experience. All vehicles are under 6 years old with less than 80,000 miles and have a 12-month, 12,000 mile certified limited warranty. Each vehicle must also pass a multi-point vehicle inspection and is covered by an extensive roadside assistance program. Every vehicle must pass stringent measures before it can become a certified pre-owned Acura. Only well-maintained, late-model Acura vehicles are considered, and each one must pass a comprehensive multi-point inspection and a vehicle history report review. Virtually every mechanical system from the engine to the door locks is checked out and serviced to meet precise specifications, and a thorough appearance inspection scrutinizes fit and finish inside and out to ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Our Acura dealership technicians also inspect all placements of the vehicle identification number to ensure that the VIN plates match. In addition, the VIN is researched for open service campaigns. Each certified pre-owned vehicle comes with a full set of required manuals and documentation. Our inspection checklist ensures each manual is placed in the glove box or provided at delivery. These manuals include the owner's manual, the new car warranty manual, certified warranty booklet, the vehicle history report, a copy of the multi-point inspection checklist, radio security code, navigation code, the maintenance journal, and every Acura certified pre-owned vehicle comes with a warranty that is best in class. An example of the warranty coverage is Acura will repair or replace any covered part that is defective in material or workmanship under normal use. All repairs or replacements under this warranty will be made free of charge with no deductible. The repaired or replaced parts are covered until the Acura certified pre-owned limited warranty expires, which covers 12 months and 12,000 miles. The limited warranty extends the new car non-powertrain coverage also by 12 months and 12,000 miles, whichever comes first, and starts after the new car warranty expires. Now, additional warranty benefits include 24-hour toll-free roadside assistance, 24-hour emergency towing services, computerized trip routing map services, emergency fuel delivery, emergency lockout service, 24-hour Acura dealer locator, trip interruption benefits, the Acura concierge service, which includes hotel referrals, trip planning, urgent message relay, along with a host of other services. So there you have it, the Acura certified pre-owned vehicles. Here at Joe Rizza Acura in Orland Park, we invite you to come on in and take one for a test drive. You will be happy that you did. I'm Dan McMillan, and I approve of this promotional video. Thank you for watching.